Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm going to be revising my Joomla 2.5 videos, and we're going to start off basically from scratch. Okay, I'm going to do this on my development server, my local development server. Alright, and so the first thing is we grabbed 2.5.7, which is the latest release at the time of this video, and I've got them in my target folder. Alright, so we can put this away for right now. What I need to do is come over to, and I'm using SQL Pro. This is an open source SQL editor, and I really enjoy it. It's pretty nice. Basically, you come over here and add database, and this is very similar to PHP MyAdmin, but this is not a web version. This is localized. All right, so we're going to do Joomla tutorial 2.57. All right, we're going to add that. All right, and you can see we're now in the right database. And we could use the root user, but that's not good practice. We want to set up a user dedicated to this database. All right, so we're going to call this one Joomla admin and set a password. And under global privileges, we're going to check all. And schema privileges, we're not giving it to any other. We're not giving any privileges to any of the other databases. So resources, these are unlimited. That's fine. So we click apply. All right, so we now have that user in the list, Joomla underscore admin. All right, so now we can go over to our local host. And start the web installer. All right, so we're going to next through, make sure all these stay green. If you do have a red for a no or an off or on that's supposed to be on, you can actually go in and make some changes and then come back here and check again. Right now I'm using MAMP because I'm working on a Mac, obviously, but XAMPP and MAMP both operate the same as if it's an internet web server, so you shouldn't have much difference between them at all. All right, so we go next. Accept the GNU license. If you want to read that, that's over on joomla.org. So we're going to use localhost and Joomla underscore admin for the username, the password you assigned, underscore tutorial underscore 257. All right, you want to leave this a random prefix. This is a new security feature that they added. Used to be JOS was the table prefixes. This is just another layer of security, a random prefix, so that people aren't able to use injection using the table prefixes for the standards. All right, old database process, backup or remove if there's an existing one. We don't need to worry about that. So we click next. And go through the installation process. FTP configuration, this is generally not necessary. I usually skip this. It can be added later on if you just decide that you need it based on another module or component. You can go into the global configurations and add it later. So just click next through there. And we'll change the username right off the start. That helps us, again, with security. We're not giving the hackers a known username with super admin privileges. We're going to use our own. All right, we don't want to install sample data. I totally recommend against this. It gets really confusing right off the start over what's yours and what's the sample data. Just get comfortable with creating content and you'll be fine. All right, so we'll go to next. All right, and this is a new option with 2.5. You can remove the installation folder here instead of actually going to the folder, your FTP folder, and deleting it. And we're going to log into the back end. Ooh. Almost forgot the first password I signed up with. Alright, so there we are. We're in with a fresh install. We can go ahead and click view the site. We can see the demo tutorial, the demo template that came with it. In the next video, we're going to go over and we're going to pick some templates to install. And we're going to use, so I use Rocket Theme templates. I really enjoy them, and they're very varied with their module positions. They use the gantry framework, which makes it really easy to lay out sites. Alright, but that's it for now. Thanks for watching.